Sometimes it's difficult when I'm looking for some particular text or phrase in my Excel sheet, especially when it contains a lot of data or a lot of items in the Excel sheet. And so you can use the find and replace function to help you look for the particular word or phrase you are looking for. And so I just come to the ribbon and click on find and replace. Then I look at find. Then it brings me this drop down menu. So I look for the find. So I select find. Sorry, that's gas rather. So look for gas. And you click on find all. Then when it's identified the place where gas is found, it will highlight it for you to quickly go to that place and see it. So you can see that once I selected gas, it has quickly come to gas. Now if you want to replace the word gas, maybe I've made a lot of mistakes in my work. Instead of writing finance, or instead of writing light, I wrote gas. So you can use the replace button and replace the word with gas. So which word did I want to replace with gas? So let's say I wanted to rather say petrol. Petrol. So let me use petrol for instance. So you click on the replace and it will replace for you. If you want to replace all the gas in your text or the Excel sheet, you can click on replace all, but you will not want to use replace all because it does not give you the option to choose which one you want to replace and which one not to replace. But if you are very sure that anywhere in your Excel book that there's gas, you should change it, then you use replace all. If not, just use only replace and it will replace the current one to petrol. Now that you know how to use the find and replace button, utilize it to save a lot of time searching for some particular keywords or replacing some items you have mistakenly typed in your entire document. Thank you and look out for my next videos.